Christmas, look. FedEx has been with all our parcels for this job. We've got mag wheels, we've got a bumper, we've got a great big box, and then we've got another one down there. 5 packages, 109 kilos. I'm not going to tell you how much it was, but it was eye-watering. Put it like this, it would be cheaper to fly to England and bring this back as carry-on luggage or checked luggage. Anyway, I know that you guys like to know about unboxing, and there's one particular part that I want, and I guess it's in here, and that is those Puma door seals. I'm all excited, I can't wait to get into it. Let's put this on the bench and open this box, because I know you like opening boxes up. Let's go and get set up. So I'm going to start with the Brit part one. The first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to put some tape around the end of it so I know which is which. So that one is the Brit part one. Let's have a look. There is no reinforcement in the top. There is reinforcement here. And the cross section looks good. So we've got no reinforcement in the top. This is a genuine one for the driver's side. I can tell that the rubber's softer, but it was 10 times more expensive. Oh boys, oh my lads, you're going to like this. Sorry, I had a quick feel, if you see what I mean. So, this is what you've been waiting for all these weeks. A pen of truth. We're using the same pen on the seal. Now, this is a Puma seal. Over here, just before we get too excited and carried away with ourselves, we were wetting ourselves in a minute. Well, no. This is a 300 TDI type seal. As you can see, not a great difference. Let's do that again. Let's do these side by side and let's have a look at them. Alright, so side by side test. This one here, 300 TDI El Cheapo. This one, Puma El Cheapo. Let's do it like that. Let's do that again. Okay. Genuine seal from a Land Rover. Oh, night and day. Absolutely night and day. Save your money. Don't buy any of them crappy seals anymore. Look at that. That's what you pay your money for, look. Now, the finish is completely different, look. Look at that finish compared to a stock standard finish on a 300 TDI one. You see these have got a little bit more square and these are rounded. So I think our search is over. They're expensive. Well, I could do this all day. Look. I think the door's going to close. Now, I did find something very similar in North America. So I knew that I knew there was something wrong. And you can see it's got the vent holes in here. Where's this one? Yeah, that's got the vent. The Britpart one's got the vent holes in. But that is just, look at that. Night and day, man. Oh, look at the tops here. It's like seal sex, isn't it? Well, not sex with a seal. Like a... Look, that's a chicken. What sort of a noise does a seal make? Yeah, this one is a bit disappointing, this top corner. Look. We might have to have a look at that one. It's where they've bonded the glue together. It's hard. Look at that, that's hard. The other side, this is the front. We've got some give in that. But overall, this is so soft. Oh, so soft you want to make a bed out of it. No, it is, it's good stuff. So, what do we conclude? Well, we've got some good stuff. Oh, wait a minute, let's open another one.